My name is Rick Boyles, and I'm the owner of Computer Networks Incorporated. I started this company in 2004 after having worked for Medic Computer Systems, Mises Healthcare, and Allscripts as a field service engineer. I saw a need for great IT in the medical office community, and that's something that the larger companies that provide electronic medical record and electronic health record software are not providing. They might provide the software for a physician's office to run their practice on, but as far as supporting the network, supporting the hardware, those companies don't provide those kinds of services. So that was the basis in starting the company. In the information technology world, you can either be proactive or reactive. Unfortunately, there are too many people that are reactive in nature. They wait until a problem occurs, they're running around with their hair on fire, they pick up the phone, they call the closest IT guy who has no vested interest in the network. He hasn't ever seen the network before. It's going to take him 5 times as long to solve the problem as a proactive company that is always on the network, that is taking care of it, that is feeding and nurturing this network. If you become familiar with a client's network and become familiar enough with it, you can solve their problems quicker when they have problems. But the biggest thing is you can a lot of times prevent problems from occurring. We run some remote monitoring software on all client networks. As a result, we get lots of information in 24/7 by 365 days a year about the health of those pieces of equipment on that network. By way of example, if a hard drive fails in a server, we know about it within about 2 minutes of the time the drive fails. These days, hard drives will do predictive drive failures. They will let you know they're about to fail. We'll get those messages, and we'll get a service call created and a drive on the way to the client. A lot of times we're en route to the client's office to repair the problem before they're aware they have a problem. Because we're proactive in nature, we don't run around with our hair on fire. We don't have down systems. I can't tell you, in the 9 years we've been in business, I can't tell you when we had a down system last. Because we're so on top and so in front of what's happening on these networks, issues don't occur.